Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all my cute little children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. So students, are you ready for your science class? We were doing chapter number 5, living and non-living things. Today we'll continue with the exercise portion. We have already done the MCQs. Today we will do blanks. So come on, take out your textbook and solve with me. See children, in the last video lesson we have completed the MCQ and the keywords of the chapter, right? Today we'll move further with the exercise B. What it is? Fill in the blanks with the help of given words. For the blanks you have also got 2 options. So try to solve without option, okay? But if you are having doubt, you can see the option and write the answer. So read with me the first one. Birds have dash to fly. Birds have dash to fly. Very easy answer. You all know birds fly with its wings or legs. We walk with legs, but do birds walk with legs? No. Birds have wings to fly. So you will write W-I-N-G-S, wings. Okay. Now the second one. Sunflower always turns towards the dash. Read it again. Sunflower always turn towards the dash. We have discussed in the chapter, right? From the name sunflower itself, you can guess the answer. Sunflower turns towards, see what is in the name of sunflower? Sun. So, see the option once, moon or sun. Very easy. It is sun. So, S-U-N, sun. Okay. Third one. A dash finally grows into a hen. A dash finally grows into a hen. See children, who grows into a hen? Let us see the options. Cat or chick? Who grows into a hen? A chick. Cat cannot grow into hen. So this will not be the answer. The answer will be chick. What is the spelling? C-H-I-C-K. Chick. Okay. Now let us read the fourth one. We use dash to breathe. We, that means human beings. We breathe through our, you all know the answer. Still, let us see the options. Lungs or gills? What will be the answer? Yes, lungs. L-U-N-G-S, lungs. Okay, children? And gills is for fishes, right? So, the answer will be lungs. Last one. Fishes breathe through dash. Just now we discussed fishes breathe through dash. Like we breathe through lungs. So, fishes breathe through gills. Okay? Spiracles will not be the answer. So, here you will write G-I-L-L-S, gills. Okay. Now, exercise C. Match the following. See, it is very easy. First, you will see column A, plants. Now, you will see column B, that plants can be matched with, read the options, fishes, birds, cockroaches have no connection with plants. But seeds, a seed, when we sow a seed, it grows into a plant. So, you will match plants with seeds. Okay, children? Gills. This we have discussed so many times. Gills will be matched with the fishes because fishes breathe through gills. So here you will match. Okay. Third, wings. Now only two options are left. Birds and cockroaches. What will be the correct answer, children? Birds. Birds fly through wings, right? So you will match wings with birds. Fourth, antenna. You remember antenna? That is used to sense things. That is used by cockroaches. Only one option is left, which will be your correct answer for the number 4. So children, you have understood exercise B and C. Now you have to complete this in your textbook itself. Okay? Exercise B and C is your homework. Okay children, so complete it. And now we'll meet in the next video lesson with the further exercise. Till then, take care. God bless you. Keep smiling.